abrewa Miss Ba me boy se me kan cho say otwa so afu dwene wo se wadi dwene no enu ne ho utire mo dwene no say afu wo ase nyina Miss Ba otwa so dwene otwa so white what abuata Miss Ba shia ma bontani ankontokwa
Miss Bell who share your mo
and define you more because
my black you should say
my dye me to say
what dye with that means you have gray on your
no
hair.
me dye no colors maybe a white
but
color
say naturally you have gray
yeah I do have gray in my hair
okay.
But
on
my acid is gray no I acid there but my pump no
you don't who say gray no
my acid na me na me shave
and Pacho baby Miss Bell asasem now kan no ye njindi because
so you want to see my acid to prove
no mami we ma asem
no I want to know I want to be say
me say ye njindi because ye nyina yate Tracy Boache say papa no say why asie fu dwene I know Tia no say
but question and na bisa you question bisa no
confirm ache so say who die you ti who win in your ka ho what die asie ho ana
ase we dwene ni wana madai
and Paucho there are next jancha so bitimi hwe say dwene ni ho ana
and you said that me my invitation and to kebe ya wo mo mmehe na confirm cherry
me dia me hwe anye yi
sa onu no bisa
na me hwe anye yi
me answer ma wo say nya una bisa
but say wo dwene wo tiri mu pa dia dwene wo hwe it comes with hair but bia hair bia wo
it's natural say dwene wo no ka che
according to me
we need to prove because I say to me ma tie I say to me ma amanfo because adie da bonte we need to
na inti kwese ujidi pa say papa bi u ba be
enya papa bi u papa no ujidi say papa no oba so obedi mi a obehwa mi twa so dwene obehwa mi twa so dwene
David sometimes enya say wo hwe o ba bi odi na no ko ho na dwene bi akakoka ne si
adwene kasima adwene akasima wu adwene white we dey uzaka
no na who be
adoko crazy
I don't know how it works. Go share ebia na ade asa so like that show be
Miss Bell is strange say you grow gray hair all over your body except that part.
I don't have gray hair all over my body.
You say you have gray hair.
But
this is dyed. Who can say what who dyed?
Me say sometimes me dye.
Send your way to etino.
No, that's what
etino dia any answer.
Why are you serious? Are you being serious right now?
One day. Baby Aboko there.
Me pacho baby Aboko.
Okay. Right, so a little checks kakra me yes. Who publishing new way on the YouTube?
Almost 3 years near.
Oh, the date I think the date I'm here is this 6 June or 6 January 2018.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 2018. That's the time. That's the published date.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Be 1 year and yeah, publish, yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. So, and you know actually didn't fear me answer.
Yeah, yeah, I didn't fear me answer. Yeah, let me answer.
Auntie, in some now come na be fi say enra ya na akoshe studio na ya enyum no.
Ampa anopa me sorry na me saw me phone na menya messages bebre say enkofo boyfriend say oh yeah support you ye kwa ma afi wako studio wako akoye enyum a na miss me I don't even remember the last time I call studio. Te me check here na me hu say enyum we na obi akotie mu nsem na we twa baby di ato abontin di create confusion but me ache enya asem bia hunti na mekoye.
Okay, enti ne apese tie 40 ase ne say you have no idea say enya una o said that
Debbie anopa me sorry am it say ne ekono and am be post here say enyum we me ache nti no obi anko me YouTube channel anko check it there ye dey publish here me ache nti no omo fi say bia makoye this song na nya no kre.
Okay.
But me who say trending na me sabe post here say na yen promote here because e be ya na SC obi asem so.
How do you feel because in some now cannot see nia air cost so nsem asisi nanse.
Yeah. Yeah. Me am tea and me say, hey, wow. But you na ka sampo nya me na me tro Kobna Benji na tro ma me.
Yeah.
But I say na assembly all come for future. Yeah, he saw into the future. I don't know, but and I pay na my dream ba so na me susu ma shebi.
Oh, okay. And again, Omo say enye se obo bia kutia.
Debi. Kutia nyum but me ya che. Ana ma anya susu edibo bia kutia obi na trauma me. Na me to ye.
And yes, Mamindi who dance here more who share video now from the beginning and from Ashasie video from Ashasie it is there produced by King D and written by Kobna Benji send you see county and you no kwa na bi o share that tro e mu nsam nti mpamcho mama mfane say wo no no wa share da ko share studio
makoye this song
obo ekutia emo eyi enem and then Namafo bad. What dear Kutia, then this song no now kaka.
Me back in my time, no this song. Obi I didn't know until I said I face to face. But see idea.
Okay, back in your share.
Yeah, 2004 I may share you must no be now until I see Obi share face to face now nako. And I so back reporting to police station now be pepe obi am na ya koche no. But yeah in farm fanyum.
Okay.
And back in the days so you create assembly be just to catch attention to promote a song. So we releasing nyum kra na say assembly be cry pf ho a. You be try say you be ya mane atwemu kra abepa ho chew amana obi ewe fiansa na wo de nyum na ba yemfa controversy en shada em batanyum ho sa. But see ade nipa timi shada ni obi eco planning tokwa. No mo eku apram ho just so that they will be heard. No more fan promote BB. Sana akwese center na pay me sorry and I say boy say sana ekọ dia ne. Enyu 3 years ago me am so me fan too na me say sana tia na.
So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.